Okay, so once you are in Canvas, here's my little video of me. This video will be there next. You're going to click on this website, and it's going to take you to a PhET simulation called Building an Atom. You're going to want to interact with all three of these things. We're going to start here with the atom. Again, you're going to want to make sure that you have a periodic table out, and you can also want to go ahead and click right here where you've got net charge and mass number. You're going to see a couple things as we just are going to drag and drop. We're going to build different elements. You're going to see that it will automatically tell you which element you are dealing with. So for example, right now I've got hydrogen, and as I add different pieces and particles, you're going to see that it has a kind of a running total over here. You've also got this idea of net charge. Remember, we're going to have things that are positively charged and things that are negatively charged. And we should pay attention to what changes the positives, what changes the negatives, and also, again, which element that we are using. So play around with this a little bit. You'll notice the net charge. You might want to take a look at how you can change the net charge, and also the mass number. What changes what pieces do we add that actually influence the mass number? Do they all change when we add different pieces, or is it just certain ones? So once you feel comfortable with kind of manipulating that, again, it will tell you what it is. The next one you're going to do is go to symbol. Now you're going to see all of a sudden we've got our mass number here and our charge. Those are going to be really important. And this time what's going to happen is as we add things, you're going to see this sort of almost looks like a trading card for an element, right? And what you're going to have here, these numbers indicate certain things. This is going to be your mass number. This is going to be your net charge. And then you'll also notice when this number changes. You're going to notice that that bottom number changes whenever I add a proton. And if you didn't figure that out on the last screen, a proton is what is going to dictate which element we are dealing with. Also, if you look at your periodic table, the numbers from number 1 to 103, that is how they're ordered, is by proton. So for example, the third element on the periodic table is lithium. I add one more, it goes to lithium. And again, you know, we'll be able to see when we add neutrons, when we add electrons, how those charges balance or imbalance as well. So you should be familiar with, this is what's called the isotope symbol. We should be able to know how to produce those. And then we've got our favorite part of the PhET simulations is the game. So for example, I'm going to go ahead in here and try to find the element. And right now I see one proton, I see one neutron, I see 2 electrons. I'm going to guess that this is hydrogen. Oh, I got one more question. It's also going to say, is it neutral or is it an ion? I'm going to use my wealth of knowledge of chemistry and say ion. See what happens. Boom. Okay, woo, I think that was louder for me. But it's just quick and easy. It's safe practice. It's a safe way to try these. Again, you will see a Canvas module, a discussion if you've got any questions, and just let me know. So good luck. And then don't forget to do the Canvas quiz next. Okay, thanks.